Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to learn poem 4.4, The Height of the Ridiculous. It's a very beautiful poem which gives us means poet written this poem for the enjoyment. Okay, means really it's a very enjoyable poem written by Oliver Wendell Holmes. Okay, Oliver Wendell Holmes. Born on 1809 and died 1894. In this poet gives us the means some funny expressions. Plenty of means poet use here. It's a humorous poem. Okay, poem is a humorous poem, and poet written this poem for the enjoyment of the audience, entertainment of the audience. Simply entertain means this poem simply entertain to the audience, and because of poet use there plenty of the funny expression in this poem. The height of the ridiculous. Ridiculous means out loud to make fun of someone. Out loud to make fun of someone. Means out loud. It means and for example, ridiculous. It is adjective, and ridicule. Ridicule means it is a noun. Sorry, it is a verb, and that ridicule means foolish, absurd. Okay, or humorous. Foolish, absurd, or humorous, related to funny expression. Okay, means that how this poem means that whatever the character in this poem, how this character is out loud to make fun of someone, that poet going to explain in this poem. Really a very funny poem. Now see, first we are going to learn this poem today. First I will read. I wrote some lines once on a time in wondrous merry mood, and thought, as usual, men would say, they were exceeding good. They were so queer, so very queer. I laughed as I would die. Albeit in the general way, a sober man am I. I called my servant, and he came. How kind it was of him to mind a slender man like me. He of the might limb, this to the printer, I exclaimed. And in my humorous way, I added, as a trifling jest, there will be the devil to pay. He took the paper, and I watched, and saw him peep within. At the first line he read, his face was all upon the green. He read the next, the green grew broad, and shot from ear to ear. He read the third, a chuckling noise I now began to hear. The fourth he broke into a roar. The fifth his waistband split. The sixth he burst 5 buttons and tumbled in a fit. 10 days and nights 10 days and nights with sleepless I watch that wretched man. And since I never dare to write as funny as I can. Really a poem means this poem tells us about the humorous expression. Okay, now see first stanza. I wrote some lines once on a time in wondrous merry mood. Okay, in wondrous merry mood means this poem tells us about the this line in wondrous merry mood, it's related to the figure of speech tautology, because wondrous and merry, these are the words with same meaning. Okay, same meaning, wondrous and merry, and that's why this figure of speech is tautology. Now see, means poet says that here I wrote some lines once and a time. Means poet says that I wrote some line once on a time in wondrous merry mood. When poet was in a wondrous merry mood. When poet was very happy. When poet was very, very happy. And thought, as usual, men would say they were exceeding good. And poet thought that as usual men means as usual. Okay, men would say. What men would say? They were exceeding good. They were means appreciate to someone. Exceeding means appreciate. Okay, exceeding means appreciate to someone. If someone may create a joke, So if someone create a joke that time, we were appreciate to them. Okay, we were appreciate to them, and poet says that here means as thought as usual men would say, means they have, means if someone have made this funny expression or someone made a joke, funny joke, that time we have to appreciate to them. They were so queer, so very queer, and poet says that they were queer, means they were so queer, means they were very good. Okay, queer means so queer means very good, and so very queer, very good. Okay, they were very good. I laugh as I would die, and they were because, and I laugh if someone creates the joke, that time I laugh as I would die. Okay, means that time I laugh as a, means as would I die. The poet says that I laugh and laugh and laugh, maybe I would die. Okay, means overlap. Poet says that means if someone made the very good jokes or some very good funny expression, that time I laugh, means I overlap as I would die, maybe I would die. Albeit in the general way, a sober man am I. Miss Poet they says that, see here is carry or oblate means although. Okay, it means that although, here is given C meaning though and although. Okay, means carry oblate means though, and only oblate means although. Okay, means poet says that although in the general way, means although he was generally a means funny man. Okay, he is generally a sober man. Sober means clear headed, serious, means he is looking serious, but generally a very funny man. Looking is that person, when we are looking, if we are observing any person, that time the person means we feel that this person is very serious. But when this person create a joke, that time means we are laughing. Means generally this man is looking serious, but this person create a funny joke, means that person is a funny person. Okay, means, and while reading these jokes of this serious person, he would die of because of laughing. Maybe he would die because of over laughing. Okay, then a sober man am I. Means which figure of speech tells this sentence tells us the inversion, because sentence construction is given differently. Okay, and that's why it is a inversion. Then next, I called my servant and he came. And here poet says that he called his servant and this servant came. How kind it was of him. And this he was means the servant was very kind to mind a slender man like me. And Miss Poet says that he looked after a thin man. Okay, he looked after a thin man. All will mind that he is slender man, means he is a look a very thin man like a poet, like me, means like a poet. He of the might limb, but he of the might limb, but he is a might limb. Might limb is a strongly built muscle. Okay, strongly built muscle. Maybe his look a very thin man, but he may be a very strongly built muscle man. Okay, these to the printer, I exclaimed. And poet says that he asked him to take them to the printer. Okay, and in my humorous way, means poet give this means he called his servant and he asked give his how his servant was. Okay, and this to the printer I exclaim, and poet exclaim here to take them to the printer. He asked him to take them to the printer. and in my humorous. And poet says that in a humorous, in whatever the generally poet is a humorous person. Means poet says that I said him to this give to the printer in a humorous way. I added as a trifling jest. And poet added here there would be a strong reaction to it. Okay, means when poets asked about the printer, that time this maybe poet accept here there would be a strong reaction to it. Okay, and in my humorous way, and poet says that in humorous way. There will be the devil to pay, and poet says that there will be the devil to the pay. Means there will be devil to pay means there may be poet accepted here. Maybe that servant give here a strong reaction. Okay, strong reaction. Devil to pay means strong reaction. Means here it is a lot of trouble, but maybe poet accepted here the strong reaction from his servant. Okay. Next we will continue the next period. Thank you.